And when they heard the sound, they come rushing. The multitude came together. I declare that as you put this verse, as you put the word to work, God will whistle in the rich. God will whistle in the poor. God will whistle in the students, the couples. God will whistle in the money. If you believe that, shout the loudest amen.
Maybe tired, burdened, frustrated, fearful. But if there's one thing I've noticed, when you have put in that time,
like the Spirit was moving over the water, Spirit come move over us.
Welcome our dearest Pastor Sarah Schneider.
So, maunang giandaw niya ang brokenness so that di ba? May kunwari panalangin ka ng usahay, maligna na nato asa panangikab. Di ba? So, andaw niya blessings and breaking.
Spirit, when you move, you make my heart pound. When you fill the room, come rest on us. Come rest on us. Calm down. Spirit, when you move, you make my heart pound. When you fill the room, come rest on us. Come rest on us. All we want is you.
altar every day, putting fire on the altar, so that when we go to take new territory, we are not defeated, we are victorious in God. An altar is a covenant to a deity, and in our case, we are covenanted to God Almighty, who is God.